All right, guys, look who it is. Captain Ron and Famella. Say hi to everybody. Famella is back. Captain Ron's on station with us today. We are at Nepo Quad. Ron's never been out to the Nepo Quad. Famella needs some exercise clothes.
And I'm the master of that.
Mercy knows where to get them all. So we come out here, do a little shopping today.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
All right, Mercy took Famella into her favorite spot here to get exercise clothes. I think Famella's going to go to Zumba with Mercy. That's the whole thing here. That's the story behind why Famella's looking for exercise clothes. You think you're going to find anything that fits you here, Famella?
Yeah.
Everything fits. That's what Mercy has the biggest trouble, is finding something to fit her butt, because it just doesn't work out. This place seems to have it though. Hello, we're back.
My friend needs a small size. Small size only.
Small size only.
Look at
So Ronnie and Famella's got some purchases over here. They found some goods. Ron was just telling me a story. Have you ever cut somebody's hair off while they're sleeping? I said, no. Whatever made you think of that? Well, he did it. That's the thing. Famella, did he cut your hair while you were sleeping? He did. And what did you do to him after that? You didn't talk.
3 days.
You should have cut something of his with the scissors.
I was doing something sweet.
You were doing something sweet.
Surprising her with a free haircut.
Oh, a free haircut. Oh my gosh. That would have got you a Lorena Bobbitt in those other places. I'm sure you guys remember Lorena Bobbitt. That would have got most guys a Lorena. John Wayne. Ron found something for Famella here.
Famella. Where's Famella?
You think that'll fit? That might fit, right? Oh, Ron, he kills me. Killing me. Looks like they got some more stuff here. Girls found some more clothes. Famella's hitting the jackpot today. She needs like a -2. She needs a negative size.
She's so little.
-2 for her. All right, we are in the shoe store getting some more fake shoes here. Ronnie got all kinds. Famella got her a pair of shoes. What kind of shoes you got here? He's got him some. Oh, he's got some for gifts. Got some for his boy. And then he's gonna get some Christian Dior's to go with his shirt. Alrighty guys, we just loaded up on a bunch of shoes. Ronnie bought a bunch of shoes. Famella got some shoes. Ron got some Dior's to match his shirt. He got some Christian Dior. Nikes. I don't know, I think he only gave like 10 grand for those. That's the going rate for those Dior Nikes. Mercy, let me see those shoes you got there. Oh, there they are. I told you you got some Dior's.
Yeah.
Let's see what they look like. Let's see what those Dior's look like. I didn't put them on camera earlier, I don't think.
Dior.
Oh, there they are. That's the deal.
Signature.
That's the real deal. Onward to the sushi place. So we're gonna try the Giro out today. See what they got for sushi at the Giro. It's been a while since we had some good sushi, right, babe?
Oh yeah.
No, we've had some here. Yeah, Barrio had really good there, good place. Here's a tapas place. They got a few customers in it. That looks new. So we're going to this place right here. Giro Sukiyaki Sushi Ramen. Let's see what it's all about. All right, let's see what this menu looks like. Volcano roll. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Always like the dragon rolls too. This looks good. I'm gonna have one of each.
Okay.
Spicy salmon. You got the sashimi,
I
tuna.
got the California rolls too.
Yeah, see that.
Yummy.
Dragon roll. Let's see what else we got over here.
Tempura.
Got some tempura. All kinds of good stuff. There's all the teriyaki.
Teriyaki.
Teriyakis. Very good. Rice bowls. Good little variety here. And there's the sukiyaki. Whole and half. Looks like a little variety here. Noodles. Different things. More soups and rice. Oh, got to get some miso soup. Gotta get the miso soup.
Oh yeah, I haven't had miso soup in a while.
Yeah, I gotta try that. Then they got some salads, poke bowls. All right, I'm intrigued by the menu. Hopefully, it tastes as good as it looks. All right, we got the miso soup coming out. Mercy's going in. It's hot.
That's the best when it's hot.
Yeah, it's boiling.
Very good.
So what do you think? Good?
I like it.
It's on point. It's good.
Ronnie's getting some too. Oh yeah, that looks good. You got little cubes of tofu in there, it looks like, right?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. I like that tofu. What are you trying to do? Not burn yourself?
It's hot.
All right, guys, we are rocking some sushi tonight. Check this out. Doesn't that look delicious? That looks like it's done right here, guys. I have not tasted it yet, but that is some delicious looking sushi. We got a spread. Captain Ron orders it in almost like Fat Drake does. He brings in the whole restaurant when he does it. Check out this one right here. This dragon. The dragon roll looks delicious. Wow. And you got some udon noodle soup with a big tempura shrimp in there, it looks like. Is that a shrimp? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, it is. Nice. Delicious. Well, that's a meal in itself, Pamela. Are you going to eat all that soup? And sushi, too? Because if you're not, we got tons of sushi to eat, guys. We have our work cut out for us. All right, guys, word to the wise, man. When you eat your when you eat your miso soup here, take it slow, man. I burned my tongue off. I won't be able to taste my sushi after it's miso soup. It is scalding hot. Mercy's digging in. She's liking it so far.
I'm in heaven right now.
You're in heaven. It's that good, huh?
Delicious.
She said this dragon roll is amazing. That was her words. I missed it, but she said it's amazing. This one's good too?
What kind?
What do you think? Volcano roll? Good stuff.
It's on point.
All right, it's on point, Ron said. One of the best places I've eaten sushi in the Philippines. By far, actually. It might even be the best so far. We had a good one in Loretto we liked. I forget the name of it. I don't even know if they're still there. But that was our favorite up until now. This place rocks. Sushi rocks here. I will definitely return.
Oh, yeah.
If I got to make a new top 10 list, this is going to be on it. Man, I'm telling you. What do you think, Ron?
It was on point.
On point?
Highly recommend it.
Straight up, right? Pamela, you like it, except for that soup? All right. It could just be a taste thing with the soup, but everything. Miso soup, this sushi. They had the ginger. A lot of places here do not serve pickled ginger with your sushi. Right here. You know what I'm talking about. The pickled ginger stuff. Wasabi's delicious. Everything was good. I'm gonna have to come back and try some of them.
I said we should come back while they're at Zumba class.
So that's a plan. We're coming back while they're at Zumba eating sushi, right? It's a long drive to come out here through traffic, but you know what? It's worth it. The place is
It's
good.
worth it. Yeah, definitely.
Very good.
Very good.
Alrighty guys, here it is, the damages. It's $17.27 it looks like. And that was a lot of food for about 30 bucks, man. Guys, you cannot beat that. 4 people ate pretty much all we could eat for 30 bucks. Delicious. What a deal. When we got in here, there wasn't but a few people, but look at this place now. Even on the sidewalk, packed out here. Tons of people eating. This is a popular spot, guys. People are enjoying their food here. It's good to see. And there's a good reason why. Sushi's good here, real good. Excellent, actually. All right, guys, that was the end of our shopping / sushi night over here at the Nepo. Thanks for watching our videos, guys. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you at the next video.
See ya.